Introducing Copper Chef 360, the super strong non-stick pan with Ceramitech, the latest in ceramic technology where everything slides right out of the pan. Watch as ketchup slides right off the surface. Sticky eggs slide from pan to plate. Look, gooey cheese slides right off. Try that with a stainless steel pan. Candy in the wrapper? No problem. Even burnt milk peels right out. In fact, nothing sticks to this pan. Even salmon skinned down slides like it's in water. A healthy meal without the extra oil and butter. Look, this innovative stainless steel induction technology is designed for rapid and even heat distribution to the entire pan. Make perfect pancakes every time. Amazing omelet maker slides right out. Copper Chef 360 is heat-proof up to 850 degrees. Go from stovetop to oven with sturdy double riveted handles. Get juicy results just like professional chefs. Copper Chef 360 is great for grilling, roasting, sautéing, pan frying, and even baking. Make this gooey, delicious s'more cake in the oven. Lifts right out of the pan. Cleanup is a breeze, or drop it into the dishwasher. Copper Chef 360 is 100% PTFE and PFOA free and is so durable and resilient, it comes with an incredible lifetime guarantee. If it ever peels, chips, or blisters, we'll replace it, no questions asked.
Eric Lee's here for Copper Chef, the super strong all-round square pan with Ceramitech. Watch ketchup slide right off the surface. Incredible! Sticky eggs slide from pan to plate. Look, gooey cheese slides right off. Try that with a stainless steel pan. Candy in the wrapper? No problem. Even burnt milk peels right out. In fact, nothing sticks to this pan. Even salmon skinned down slips and slides like it's in water. Amazing! A healthy meal without extra oil or butter. Look. This innovative stainless steel induction technology is designed for rapid and even heat distribution to all four corners of the pan. Now you can cook more food. Easily fit in 4 pork chops, 25% more cooking space than a round pan. Copper Chef is heat-proof up to 850 degrees. Go from stovetop to oven with sturdy double riveted handles. Get juicy results just like professional chefs. Copper Chef is great for grilling, roasting, sautéing, pan frying, even baking. Make this gooey, delicious s'mores cake in the oven. Lifts right out of the pan. Cleanup is a breeze, or drop it into the dishwasher. Copper Chef is 100% PTFE and PFOA free.
Hi, I'm Lexi with Anolon, and this is the Anolon Advanced 12-inch covered ultimate pan. I use this pan to make everything, from pan-fried fish to my favorite stir-fry. The hard anodized construction is twice as hard as stainless steel and ensures even heating throughout the pan. The pan interior features top-of-the-line non-stick that's metal utensil safe and won't scratch or chip. The outside of the pan is non-stick too, so it's super easy to clean. My favorite part of this pan is the Anolon Sure Grip handle. It gives you control of the pan and is oven safe to 400 degrees. Finally, the tempered glass lid lets you see what's cooking and keeps heat and moisture in the pan. It's a deep skillet and a covered sauté, all in one. The Anolon Advanced 12-inch covered ultimate pan is just that, the ultimate.